What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. We're out here with the Bugs 4W out here in the Everglades. We are going to put this sucker to a distance test. There should be nothing that should interfere, and we're going to see how far this bad boy can go. Okay, guys, we got the GPS calibrated. I think we got around 14. How many satellites we got?
14.
We got 14 satellites going, so let's go ahead and engage the motors. Let's do a preliminary takeoff to see if she's locked in. It's a little windy out here today. Got wind coming out of it. Looks like the southeast. And she looks pretty solid. See? All right, here we go. Go out. Here we go. Going forward. Read them out, baby.
25 meters, 55 meters, 70 meters, 96 meters, 121.
We'll go up a little bit, get a little better clearance.
We're a little glitchy. 180 meters.
I'm gonna stop at 180 meters.
204 meters. 213.
213. We still got good signal.
Still got 16 satellites.
Okay, we still got reception.
Yep.
All right, let's keep it going. What's my height?
Your height is 28 meters.
Very nice. Distance?
257, 280, 295, 320 meters, 350 meters, 381, 400 meters, 450 meters.
All right, let's go.
We're
ahead and
74.
stop.
We
Let's
still
check our
have signal.
settings. What's our height?
Our height is 32 meters.
All right, let's keep it going.
Hold on, we got aircraft not connected warning. 483 meters away.
Tell me if I'm going, if you got reception still.
I do not have reception at the moment.
Okay, what's the remote say?
The remote says 515.
All right, let's go forward.
519.
519.
535. 550. 578. 600 meters. 630. 670. 700 meters. 728. 770.
Guys, so we got about 845 meters out there. We lost the app at about 600 meters. I did hit the return to home. I can see the drone. It's just a dot, but it is on its way back according to the remote. And that's one thing I do love about the remote. It tells you all the information that's on it. Even if your app freezes, you can still see your height and distance on the remote. So really, really nice. The drone is on its way back. So the Bugs 4W, man, almost 800 and change meters away. That is phenomenal. Unfortunately, the app did not make it to 800 and some meters. It only made it up to about, I think, close to 600 meters, which is still over 1,800 feet. That's really, really good. There she is. She's getting her location. I'm going to let her come down by herself. I'm not even going to stop it. The return to home, the Bugs 4W, guys, excellent. Completely reliable. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. And we got some good 8 to 10 mile an hour winds here. And there she is, coming down. I'll stop her before she hits the ground. Beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, I'm going to let her go all the way down by herself. Beautiful. 800, how many meters?
845.
845 meters, guys. So out here in the Everglades, the Bugs 4W could have probably gone further. I could have probably brought the height up a little bit. Could have probably gone it up to about, a couple hundred feet and probably could have got a better signal. I'm definitely thinking we can hit over 1,000 meters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change the battery out. We're going to put a new battery in this sucker, and we're going to see if we can break 1,000 meters. All right, so we're a little
33.
over 150 feet. So here we go. Ready? Here we go. Going due west.
10, 20, 45, 70, 100, 130,
Still got good connection.
160, yep. 187, 206, 250, 276, 305.
And that wind's
Picture's
glitching.
glitching.
All right, I'm gonna stop her, make sure we get good connection. I'll bring her up a little bit.
371.
I'm gonna keep going west.
You good?
Okay.
404. 423. Camera is frozen. Aircraft not connected.
Let's see if I can
At
bring up the height.
459.
Let's go ahead and bring up the height and see if I can't get it back.
All right, you're at 43 meters.
Do we still not have app?
No.
All right.
You're at 51 meters in height.
All right, guys, so we lost the app at about 450 something meters. Where are we at right now? Let's keep going west.
We are at 502.
Let's keep going.
550. 580. 624.
Oh, let me bring it up a little bit. There we go. And we can raise the height of the drone.
758.
Come on, baby. We can make that 1,000 meter mark.
806.
Come on, baby. I'm gonna bring her up a little bit more. Keep that signal. Got
871.
the. Woo, yeah. Come on, baby. Hit that 1,000 meters.
885.
885. Raise her up. Where we at?
880. 878. 874. It's coming back.
It's coming back. All right, so we lost drone connection at 874 meters. The drone completely disconnected. I still think we can hit that 1,000 meter mark. I can see it. It's basically a dot if I'm looking at it right. This is a Class G area, so it's an uncontrolled airspace, but the drone is on its way back. The safety system that basically disconnected the drone is now sending it on its way home. So let's see where we're at on meters now.
856.
Oh, wait, did we get it back?
Looks like we did. It's not coming this way. Oh, 850. 847.
Okay, so it turned the drone back to us. So we are on our way back. So roughly 860 meters is what we got it to. I'm not giving up though. We are gonna hit that 1,000 meter mark one of these days, guys. So let's go ahead and get the drone back safely here. Let's go ahead and initialize the return to home system. And here she comes, guys. She is right above our heads, getting her GPS location set before she is on her way down. Absolutely love this drone, man. I tell you, MJX, they really built a quality drone with this one. The only thing I can say is the stabilization sucks because it has no stabilization. But, you know, that can be worked with. It is unbelievably windy out here. I know we can hit that 1,000 meter mark, guys, but let's see how she does all by herself in this wind. Let's see if she hits her mark, because we're only standing on a road that's maybe 12, 15 feet wide. On both sides of us is Everglades, so she better hit the right spot. Look at that. Unbelievable. What an awesome drone. Absolutely awesome drone. I'm not even gonna stop. I'm gonna let her land wherever the hell she wants. Look at that. Go ahead and shut down, baby. Shut down. Come on. I'm not gonna do anything for you. You gotta do it yourself. There she goes. Okay. So, guys, 870 meters with the Bucks 4W. We got 10-mile-an-hour winds plus. I will get back out here when there is a no wind day, and I'm telling you, we will hit 1,000 meters with this drone, no problem. The only problem I'd say is the app, the Wi-Fi signal doesn't seem to be able to handle the range. Maybe it's the wind, maybe it's the signal strength. We'll see what happens on the next one, but I'm thrilled. I'm just beyond pleased, guys. 870 meters, Bugs 4W. I'll see you on the next video.